Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. For English Year 3, today we will learn Unit 8, Mr. Rooster and Friends, Part 1. Let's read. Mari baca. Mr. Rooster the cook. Ayam jantan, tukang masak. Once, there lived a rooster, a cow, a goat, and a cat. Mr. Rooster liked to cook. He wanted to cook porridge. Pada satu ketika, tinggallah ayam jantan, lembu, kambing, dan kucing. Ayam jantan suka memasak. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. For English Year 3, this week we will learn new topic Unit 8, Mr. Rooster and Friends, Part 1. Let's read. Mari baca. Mr. Rooster the cook. Si ayam jantan tukang masak. Once there lived a rooster, a cow, a goat, and a cat. Mr. Rooster liked to cook. He wanted to cook porridge. Pada suatu ketika, tinggallah si ayam jantan, si lembu, kambing, dan juga kucing. Ayam jantan suka masak. Dia mahu masak bubur. There were not enough ingredients. He asked from his friends. Bahannya tidak cukup. Jadi, dia minta daripada kawan-kawannya. Okay, who is Mr. Rooster's friends? They are Mrs. Moo, Puan Lembu, Mr. Goat, Encik Kambing, and Miss Kitty, dan Encik Kucing. Okay, Mrs. Moo says, I have carrots. Saya ada lobak. Mr. Goat says, I have onions. Saya ada bawang. And Miss Kitty says, I have mushrooms. Saya ada cendawan. Mr. Rooster was happy. Ayam jantan sangat gembira. Then, he started to cook. Kemudian, dia pun mula memasak. They ate the porridge together. Mereka pun makan bubur bersama. Let's eat together. Mari makan bersama-sama. It is tasty. Rasanya sedap. It smells good. Dan baunya pun harum. Okay, now let's answer. Mari jawab. Okay, question number 1. Who is Mr. Rooster? Siapakah? Encik Kambing. Minta maaf. Sorry. Siapakah Encik Ayam Jantan? Refer to this slide. Mr. Rooster. Yes. Mr. Rooster is a cook. Ayam jantan ialah tukang masak. Who cooked the porridge? Siapa yang masak bubur? Yes, the answer is Mr. Rooster. Mr. Rooster cooked the porridge. Ayam jantan yang masak bubur. What Question number 3. What ingredients did Mr. Rooster need? Apakah bahan yang diperlukan oleh ayam jantan? He needed carrots, onions, and mushroom. He needed carrots, onions, and mushrooms. Very good. And the last question. Name the 3 friends who helped Mr. Rooster. Namakan 3 orang kawan yang telah bantu ayam jantan. Okey, siapa kawan-kawan dia yang telah tolong bagi bahan-bahan masakan tu? Yes. Mrs. Moo, Mr. Goat, and Miss Kitty. Correct. Okay, for exercise, untuk latihan, open your activity book, page 54. Buka aktiviti murid, muka surat 54. Okay, circle. Murid baca dulu, read and circle. Okay, bulatkan jawapan yang betul. Jika betul, bulatkan true. Jika salah, bulatkan false. If correct, true. Circle the box, true box. If wrong, if the answer is wrong, false, okay, circle false. Okay, read and circle. Baca dan bulatkan. Okay, number 1. Look at to the picture. Tengok gambar ni. This is Mr. Rooster. Ini ialah ayam jantan. Betul atau salah? Yes or no? If true, jika betul, circle the true. If false, circle false. Alright? Okay. Jawab soalan number 2, number 3 and number 4. And next question, next activity is open page 55. Find and color. Cari dan warnakan. Ada 6 perkataan di sini. There are 6 words. Rooster, onion, cow, carrot, mushroom, and cat. Okey, murid dikendaki warnakan mana jawapan yang betul. Pencarian perkataan yang betul. Contoh yang dibagi di sini, cow. Lembu. C-O-W. Warnakan kotak ini. Okay? Okay, very good. Okay, that's all for today. Till next time. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.